Seperti apa sih kebaikan susu UHT Indomilk? Yuk kita cari tahu.
My name is David as General Manager at Indolacto Company. Today's presentation about your company and your new product Indomilk Milk. This is your innovation and creative product with high-level technology. First, your marketing manager Kevin will introduce your company. Then Yasda, your sales representative, will show you our product and tell you about them special photos. After that, Ochan, your designer, will show our addressing combine. Please feel free to ask questions at the end of your presentation.
Well, let me start by giving you some detail about the company. In this pandemic, we must always maintain healthy, as recommended by the 5 government, namely washing hands, wearing masks, maintaining distance, staying away from crowds, and reducing mobility. And also, we must adopt a healthy lifestyle, such as eating nutrition food and drinking healthy drink. Therefore, in an effort to maintain a healthy lifestyle, we formed a company that specializes in producing healthy drink. We encourage people to drink milk. Therefore, our company's motto is Nusu Asik. Indomilk Company was founded in 1967. It is a company based in Kudus, Indonesia. We do business throughout Indonesia. We are expert to producing various types of healthy drink, specialist milk. Our customers include all walks of life such as children, teenagers, and even adults throughout Indonesia. We have won the top 5 in product category milk award by the Ministry of Trade. Thank you.
In the next session, let me show you the main purpose of our newest product, Indomilk. It is specially designed for children. We understand that products with plastic raw materials are quite large and our company wants to keep the environment clean, so we innovate using plastic that is more environmentally friendly and can be recycled. And to test like our motor responsive talk high. Don't worry, we made this flavor different from any concept milk brand, even kids would eat more and more. Is this drink safe? Yes. From every step of the research that we have done, apart from the delicious taste, the content in it is also good for health. For your convenience and safety, do not drink too much in a day. Now let's take a look at our design Indomilk. Don't they look elegant with those plastic bottles? The packaging is attractive and it is marked with our label, where the aim of our company is to attract more people to buy our products. Then they must attract more and more people to test them. We provide our new product not only one flavor, but we make various flavor innovation such as vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and original flavors. Can everyone guess how it feels? Try and feel for yourself. About the design we left for this new product, we use plastic as the design. But rest assured for this plastic is reusable, recyclable, and more economical. We want everyone to feel safe when carrying this product. With this packaging, we know it is safe and not risky for children, and even everyone base our product. In addition, we research and manufacture reusable, durable, and sturdy plastic as our new idea. Compared to similar products that use plastic as a new idea, we want to build the same, but our goal is to make the world a better place. We, we do business the right way, not just the easy way. Because people are important to use our planet in the same thing we are responsible for. Indomilk, how much for one bottle? We know we're attracting everyone who can afford this, so we consider taking it more economical. You do not believe the cost in only 3,500 rupiah per bottle, or about $0.30. With a low price but better quality in taste and design, it is definitely our best choice.
Now, that's our advertising campaign. Let me quote you to the show. Please look at the poster. Did any single person here notice something with our design poster? Right? In the color, we choosing more colorful with bright blue sky as kids could more attract with color like that. Our intention is can bring the beverage to all kids. And with these quotes aside from our company main focus for drink that have special meaning. Our product poster means it could be perfect drinks this with this some biscuit as night. And now please watch our social media commercial together. As you know, role character in our product it was kid. As you know, role character in our product is was kid. Kids, as we know, are attractive and to support their stamina and condition. That's why we innovate this product. See, would you like to try this special experience? If you would like to see more talk about our product and company, everyone here can jump into our social media or commercial actions. Please buy at nearest department store in your area. Get special price over of 8,800 of 3 pieces. Only for the period 23 March until 23 April 2021. Don't miss it the chance. By now, feel the natural purity of cow's milk with the delicious blend of Mary Biscuit Extra. That brings me the end of our presentation today. Thanks for your time today. If you get any question,